Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to embark on the rewarding journey of dividend stock investing. Dividend-paying stocks not only offer a pathway to generate passive income, but also compound your investment over time. Today, we're delving deep into the process of adding these financial instruments to your portfolio, exploring the benefits and navigating the risks associated with dividend stocks and funds. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the stock market, understanding how to invest in dividend stocks is a crucial skill in building a robust, income-generating portfolio. Getting started with dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks is as straightforward as engaging with any other type of stock. The journey begins with opening an account at a brokerage firm, followed by a careful selection process of the desired dividend stock or fund. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your investment. Choosing the right brokerage is about finding a balance between user-friendly platforms, comprehensive research tools, and cost-effective trading options. The modern investor has a plethora of online brokers at their disposal, suitable for a passive investment strategy that prioritizes long-term holdings over frequent trading. Step-by-step process to buy dividend stocks. Open a brokerage account. Starting your investment journey requires setting up an online brokerage account. This process is remarkably easy and can often be completed in minutes. While selecting a broker, consider their reputation, fees, and the investment tools they offer. Fund your account. After your account is set up and approved, it's time to fund it. This can be done through various methods, such as ACH transfers, wire transfers, or by transferring assets from another investment account. Choose your stocks wisely. Utilizing stock screeners provided by your brokerage can simplify the process of finding promising dividend stocks. Screen for stocks with attractive dividend yields and assess them against industry standards. Remember, choosing a stock goes beyond its yield. Consider the company's sector, market capitalization, and risk profile. Monitor your investments. Like any investment, dividend stocks require regular monitoring. Keep an eye on the performance of your stocks and the sectors they belong to. Ensure that dividends are being paid as expected, and watch for signs of sustainable growth and financial stability within the companies you've invested in. Receive your dividends. Dividends are typically paid out quarterly. Familiarize yourself with the critical dates associated with dividend payments: the declaration date, ex-dividend date, record date, and payable date. Understanding these dates ensures you know when to expect dividend payments and how they're processed. Opening a dividend stock account. What you need. To open a dividend stock account, brokers will require personal and financial information. This includes your name, social security number, address, and details about your financial situation. This process, governed by Know Your Client rules, ensures that brokers offer services suited to your financial goals and risk tolerance. When opening an account, providing accurate and comprehensive information is key to a smooth start in dividend investing. Exploring dividend investment options. Dividend investment can take many forms, from individual stocks to high-yield mutual funds and ETFs. Each option has its own set of advantages. Investing in individual companies allows direct exposure to dividend payers, while mutual funds and ETFs offer diversification and professional management. However, it's essential to consider the fees associated with mutual funds and ETFs, as they can impact overall returns. Factors to consider when choosing dividend stocks. When diving into dividend investing, several factors come into play. Fees, while mostly eliminated on individual stock trades, still exist for mutual funds and ETFs and can affect your net gains. Research and trading tools provided by your broker can significantly aid in making informed decisions. Additionally, customer service quality can enhance your investing experience, especially for those new to the market. Lastly, security features such as two-factor authentication and CPC protection add an essential layer of safety to your investment endeavors. Investing in dividend stocks is a strategic approach to building wealth and generating income. By following the steps outlined in this guide, from selecting the right brokerage to choosing and monitoring your stocks, you can set yourself up for success in the world of dividend investing. Remember, Patience and thorough research are your best allies in navigating the stock market. Thank you for joining us in exploring the exciting world of dividend stocks. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on investing.